Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, I will solve this problem which I have solved in my another YouTube video in which I have used a long method of differentiation which is very time taking and also very tedious. But in this video, I will use the another method which is reminded by my faculty, and this method is very short and also very less time taking. So now we will use this method. So what is the problem? The problem is, what is the maximum area of a rectangle inscribed in a circle of radius r? So we will have a circle. Now we'll use the geometry to solve this problem. So we have this inscribed rectangle. Inscribed means all four vertices will touch the circumference of the circle which is having the radius r. Now to use the geometry, we have the xy axis and we have the radius r. Now we'll consider the theta, which is the angle from x-axis to the radius line. Now we will find its component along the y-axis, which will be r sine theta, right? And the component along the x-axis will be r cos theta. Now to find its area, so the area will be area of rectangle equals to, so let's say this length is x, and because of symmetricity it will be same x, so the total length will be 2x and the total by length will be 2y. So the total area will be length, which is 2x, and multiplied by width, which is 2y. So the area will be 4 times xy. And what is the value of x, by the way? So this is the x. This x equal to r cos theta and y equals to r sin theta, right? So this is y equals to r sin theta. So we can write x equal to r cos theta and y equal to r sin theta. So from equation number 1, we can write area as 4 times r cos theta multiplied by r sin theta, implies area equals to 4 times r square cos theta and sin theta. So again you can solve it further using trigonometric formula. So you can write it as 2r square. You can take 2 separate to make a trigonometric formula, 2 cos theta and sin theta, which is sine of 2 theta. So this is the formula of sine 2 theta. So area is now 2r square sine of 2 theta. So this is the expression for the area of a rectangle which is inscribed in a circle of radius r. So clearly you can see here that the area is only dependent on theta because r is constant, right? R is constant and theta is varying, right? So if you want to maximize this area, we will only need theta to use or to maximize or to reduce the area. So to maximize the area, let's say the maximum area is a max, so we can say that it can be only maximized when theta is at optimum value. So sine theta. So we need to find that optimum value of theta, which will be maximizing the total area. Since 2 is constant and r square is constant, so we can take 2r square outside and we can write maximum of sine of 2 theta. Now as we know that sine of x fluctuate or varies from -1 to +1, so maximum value is 1. So this is maximum value of sine x. That means maximum value of sine theta, sine 2 theta will be 1 such that, and we know when it will be sine theta, such that 2 theta equals to 90. Why so? Because if sine theta equals to 1, that means, so if sine x equal to 1 implies that x must be 90 degree. So from this result we can say that if maximum of sine 2 theta equals to 1, then we can say 2 theta equal to 90 degree. It must be 90 degree. So 2 theta equals to 90 degree, then theta will be 45 degree. So now what will be the value of x and y? X is r cos theta, which is r cos 45 degree. Similarly, y equals to r sin theta, which is r sin 45 degree. So we'll get value of x in the form of r. So both x and y will have same value because cos 45 and sin 45 both value both are same. So it will also be r divided by square root of 2. So from here it implies that x equals to y. So what does this mean? So this is the result, which is a very beautiful mathematical result, which says that maximum area is only possible. So this x is and y is the optimum value, and theta is also optimum. So optimum value of theta is 45, means if theta is 45, then only the area will be maximum, and if the theta is 45, then value of x and y should be equal, or it will be equal. That means rectangle is a square now. So this is a very beautiful result that one can see here, which we have got by solving this using the trigonometric and geometric method, by using the x and y axis with the r cos theta and y sin theta. So this problem can be solved by two methods. One of the method is differentiation method, which is very long method, and this method is very very simple method, and also very less time taking method. So one can use any of the method to solve this problem. Now we will find the final area. So what is the area? Maximum area. Maximum area is 2. Now what is the maximum area? From equation 1. So if you can remember equation number 1, what is the area? 4 times x y. And if you want to maximize, means we have to put the optimum value of x and optimum value of y. And what is the optimum value of x? Which is r divided by square root of 2. And similarly y is also r divided by square root of 2, which means 4 times r square divided by 2. So a max will be now 2 times r square. So now one can verify from any of the method. One of the method is differentiation method, and another which is this method using the geometry and the trigonometry. Both are the same, which is 2r square, where the x and y having same value, converting the rectangle in a square, and both will have same answer. Okay, so thank you for watching this video. If you have any query, you can comment, and also like, share and subscribe this video, and one can also press the bell icon to get continuous update on this channel. Thank you.